Nobody should have to give up a career that they love, that they've worked hard for, simply because someone in their family has developed a dementia-causing disease. My name is Jennifer Fink. I was a professional wedding and portrait photographer when in 2017 my father passed away and I became the primary person responsible for my mom. I was a bit luckier than many because I was able to navigate her care as well as my clients for quite a while, but the emotional and physical taxation of caring for her really made it a challenge to do what I needed to do for my clients. And eventually, at the start of the pandemic, I decided that it was time to retire from that career. I have a new career where I've started a podcast for Alzheimer's caregivers, and I'm launching a speaking career. And it's taking forever to get back to the financial status that I was at almost 5 years ago. And it is all because my mom had Alzheimer's. And that is not how things should work in this country.